Hi everyone, Dr. Eric Kaufman here, and in this tutorial we're going to look at registering a company. So we're going to look at why we should register a business. We're going to look at how we can use an online registry to register a business, and finally the importance of having a business bank account. So first of all, why should you register a business? Well, depending on your location, whether your state or country, it may be mandatory to register a business first before engaging in any business activity. Some countries and some states allow you to engage in a certain amount of business activity before you must register a business, and some will allow you to engage in business activities on a personal level but not employ others, for example. And so, depending on your state law or country law, you may be required to register a business. But more than that, it's much more professional than using your personal name for business, and it gives your potential clients more trust in you, and it just looks more professional and gives your potential clients more confidence in you as a business. Businesses want to do business with other businesses. Businesses are not interested in taking a chance with a small-time operation. So it's obviously better to register a company name. It makes your company look legitimate, and it can help your company succeed. It may also be required by many clients. Some companies may not do business with a single-person operation or a non-registered operation. Also, there are many tax benefits and tax write-offs and deductions that you can benefit from for registering a business in terms of tax benefits and in terms of small business incentives that may make you more profitable with the same amount of business just for taking a few minutes and spending a few dollars to register your business. Finally, and to me most importantly, liability. So, for example, registering your company as a corporation in certain states and countries will take all liability away from you personally and give it to your company. So for example, if another company sues your company and you are not registered, you are just a single person operating your business, then you will be responsible for all legal fees, and you will be responsible for paying any debts, and you'll be responsible for going personally bankrupt. Whereas if you register a corporation, your corporation may take the liability, and if a corporation goes bankrupt, it does not affect your personal worth. Now, this can differ depending on your location, so always check with a lawyer, always check online with your local business authorities before pursuing registering a business as one type or another. Online registries are great. They allow you to register your business online from the comfort of your own home, on your laptop or on your computer. Their availability depends entirely on where you live. So some places are still old-fashioned pen and paper signups, and some places allow you to register your company online without even seeing a single person. They're usually very straightforward, very easy to follow through, and they just require basic information such as your name, your address, your company name, your board of directors, which can be as simple as just you. They're usually very low cost, so they can cost anywhere from $20 to $200 depending on what kind of business you're registering as. So for example, in Ontario, we can register as a sole proprietorship for only $60, whereas we can register as a full corporation federally with the federal government across Canada for only $200, all online. And it's usually all instant. Now, it's important to have a business bank account. This is an absolute must-have. One, it helps you separate your personal finances from your business finances, which will help you a lot later when accounting or doing your taxes. It's a huge plus for adding legitimacy to your business in the eyes of your clients. A lot of businesses will not do business with you if they are sending money to a personal account as opposed to a legitimate business bank account. They're usually very cheap and very easy to open. A lot of banks open them for free with a very small monthly charge of maybe $5 a month. Make sure that when you go to your local branch that you bring your business registrations with you so that you can register the bank account in your business's name and not in your own personal name. Thank you.